Today on the bench, we're going to try to tune the Valkyrie. That's the good stuff. And we got it on the warmer, so it is hot. Let's ride a run today. Let me take a look at the Valkyrie. I took it out the other day and we lost a mile per hour, which may or may not. I really don't think it's the gear mesh. I really don't, but we're gonna go ahead and pop this thing out and check. This is what I like about this fan. It just comes off. And this motor, it's the only thing easy on the Redcat is getting the motor out. Man, that gear mesh is tight. That is not how I had it set up. So I gotta figure out. Oh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. So there's a method of setting mesh called the paper method, where if you're as thick as a piece of paper is a pretty good mesh. I do like that method, but with this system makes it kind of hard. But I think we could feed this through. Oh, that's getting pretty. Aha. It did. Look, it's in there. Perfect. So now I could just squeeze that. And look at that. Perfect mesh. So now I can go back and, because I know somebody's gonna be like, oh no, there's no Loctite. We got it. We got 3 of the screws, or 3 tight. Damn, which one did I lose? I think it's this one. So now we'll go ahead and just, oops, reapply Loctite one at a time. That way we won't lose the mesh. Haha! Look at that. RCAWD garage ain't got nothing on my skills. I did have to loosen the receiver box and move it a little bit to get the motor in, but man, and shame on me. I admit I should have double checked that. There was a 3rd screw on the bottom, and probably whenever I tightened that, it moved. But hopefully, so we got the program card in here. I'm gonna up the punch, which is number 3. So go here to item number 3. Punch is on 5. So we can go up to 9. So let's go to 7. We hit OK and that saves it. So there we have it. We got the punch tuned. Let's go out and have some fun with the Valkyrie. We'll see if the speed. I have a feeling that that gear mesh being that tight, that probably cost me to 2 miles an hour, but we're gonna be going out there running on the Ovonics this time, just to keep everything the same. But based on the sound I heard, I think that gear mesh was killing stuff. But all right, I'll see you out there. All right, here we are. We got the RCAWD garage GPS holder. We got the Ovonic 5200. Got the hobby wing setup. I think it's gonna run a little bit faster. Hopefully still run 60 and sound better. So let's go see how fast it'll go. All right, so we got our 0. I'm gonna start. We got speed. And guys, look at the wind. So I got this windsock on here. Hopefully that's gonna work pretty good. Man, it sounds a lot better. Oh yeah, the punch is up. Damn, I cannot keep this thing straight. There we go. Man, look at the tires. Oh man, are they ballooned. Woo! Everybody thinks the sledge really ballooned up. Man, boy, those things were... Guys, you hear a noise, it's my camera telling me that the screen is on, and I don't know how to... I gotta look at how to disable that, so excuse that bloop bloop. I gotta figure out how to tell it that... I have it set to timeout. I don't get it why it's... That felt damn fast. I'll tell you that. That felt fast. 61. All right, so you know we gained a mile an hour now. Cool. Man, if you guys remember from the other day, like how bad this thing sounded, that is way better. Woo! There we go. Oh yeah, it's like, so the car said 86 when I got here, so it is pretty warm. Oh yeah. I had one guy one time, I adjusted the shocks on something, and I said, oh, I was already on scene, and I said, yeah, I'm gonna tighten the preload up a little bit. Oh my God. He made it sound like it was a crime. Never just preload. Always use springs and shock oil only. Well then why do they even have preload collars on there if you ain't supposed to ever adjust it? You know? I want to check. Remember, the original motor had this cogging issue. So let's see. Look at that. It's like crawling. Oh, look at that. I mean, it feels like a little chunky, but you're gonna expect that. Look at how easy that rolls. Oh, look. I gotta stop saying that. Damn. Look at that.
Put that
Just
on.
look at that. Wicked. It's wicked. Full trigger. That's diamond dust. Diamond dust. Oh man. Whoa. This thing's freaking... Oh yeah, man, it's running good now. Well, I know what it is. I got too much preload in that front now, so now that's why it's not jumping as good as it did the other day. Well, those front springs, the one is really, really tight, so I'll have to adjust it when I get home. I need pliers, but man, let's do a couple of full speed rips through here, and then we'll do some temps. Sorry about that camera. I do not know how to calm that thing down. But look at this, man. I'm like full on it. So this is gonna get the temps up. Jeez, man. Golly, I was hoping I was gonna make that tree. I know these cameras don't do good for long distance, but damn, woo! All right, let's bring it in. Let's get some temps. If it's gonna get hot, this will do it. Go one more full. Whoa. Yep, definitely got that punch turned up now. $140, $144. Ooh, $158. So that's still kind of hot. $120 on the ESC. 110 there. About 140. 142 there. 165. So the motor's still 165. Motor's still we're still getting, well, I mean 160 is not bad. At least it's not 180, 190. And it's not going in the thermal. So 120 on the ESC, that's pretty good. Before we were running what, like 150, 160, even higher. Alrighty, everyone. I'm happy, man. I'm happy with the Valkyrie there. Keep screen on during this recording. Why does it do this? Anyhow, it's something that you guys can't see. I can see on screen. Yeah, the Valkyrie, man. I like it, man. She's doing good. And tell me, that is not one beautiful setup. And check it out. This is my the screen for this camera. It has a GPS built in, so I'm hoping if you guys watch this video and there was an overlay of all the speed in that's where that came from. I had that in there. Just trying to bring you something cool and interesting. I hope it worked, because I'm not sure if that has to be within range of this camera or not to work, but we shall try. All right, everyone, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.